Have you ever wondered about the origin of your favorite slice of pizza? What if I told you that the beloved pizza we know today wasn't always wrong? In fact, pizza was originally square. This fascinating tip challenges our modern perception and invite us to explore the rich history behind this iconic dish. Pizza roots can be traced back to ancient civilization, particularly in the Mediterranean region. The earliest form of pizza were quite different from the round pies we enjoy today. In ancient Rome, Paris Focaccius was a flatbread topped with various ingredients, often baked in square or rectangular pans. This shape was practical and allowed for easy portioning and serving. The square shape of early pizza was not just a matter of tradition, but also practicality. Oven and baking methods of the past favored rectangular shape. Traditional bread, often used by bakers in ancient times, were often designed to accommodate rectangular trays, which allow for more efficient use of space and heat distribution. This practical approach to cooking influenced the shape of many early dishes, including pizza, highlighting how culinary techniques adapt to available technology. The transition from the square to round pizza occurred gradually as culinary practice and tools evolved. The round shape we now associate with pizza became popular due to its aesthetic appeal and even cooking properties. In the 17th century, with the advent of modern pizza making techniques in Naples, the round shape gained popularity partly because it allowed for a more even distribution of topping and heat. This evolution from square to round reflects broader change in food culture and technology, showing how tradition and innovation go hand in hand. In conclusion, the journey of pizza from square origin to the round pies we love today is a testament for the dynamic nature of culinary history. By exploring these historical nuances, we not only gain a deeper appreciation for pizza, but also for the rich tapestry of cultural influences that shape of our food tradition. Thank you.
Okay.